Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Colab and creating a notebook. Sign into your Google account and pick New Notebook or upload a project. Once done, set the runtime type to the Python version you need and enable GPU or TPU if your computation benefits from it. Make sure to mount Google Drive early for persistent files. Run the mount cell and authorize access. Now create and name your first code cell so you can run a quick print statement and confirm the environment is working. You should organize code and data to avoid confusion. Mount Google Drive and reference files under /content/drive to load datasets efficiently. When you need libraries not pre-installed, run pip inside a code cell like pip install package == version and restart the kernel when required. That ensures imports behave predictably. Split work into small cells with clear comments and section headers so you can rerun pieces without repeating long computations. Once done, test data loading, model training, and saving in isolated cells to catch errors early. You finish by saving your notebook to Drive or pushing to GitHub and creating checkpoints so you can revert if needed. Export important outputs like trained models or CSVs to Drive or download them locally. When sharing, set notebook permissions or share a GitHub link with clear runtime and dependency notes. If the runtime disconnects or shows resource errors, reconnect, remount Drive, reinstall missing packages, and rerun the minimal set of cells to restore state. This often resolves the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.